Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a series, and this is the kickoff, and I'm going to call it the Lion King Zazu inspired. And I was going through some pictures and I was like, yes, I had to do this. So I'm going to be starting out with this look using the Juvia's Place Afrique palette. I'm going to be taking the blue out of that palette and I'm just going to be applying it to the crease. Usually I don't go for a blue, but with this look, Zazu, yes, I had to go for this look. Who is excited for Lion King to come out? I am so excited. This is like my childhood memory and favorite movie. And I remember when I had a Lion King party when I was growing up as a kid. Like, I was so obsessed with Lion King. So I'm just going to be taking the black from the Morphe 35B Gold palette. Or is it 35G? But I think it's 35G. The newest one that just came out. And I'm going to apply it to the crease. Then I'm going to go in with the Morphe concealer, and I love this concealer. It's very great. It's very pigmented as ever, and then the formula is just everything. So I'm just going to take it, I'm going to apply it to the lid, blend up halfway to the crease, and use my finger to blend it out. Then I'm going to be taking the green and also the gold from this palette, and I'm going to pack it onto the lid, and the brown from the palette and pack it on the lid as well. And I felt like those colors was like the perfect match for the Zazu theme, and I just love it so much. Look how gorgeous this brown is. Like, this is the most pigmented brown. Like, I never thought I would use this, like, burnt. Is it brown? Burnt orange? It looks like a very highly pigmented brown. But, anywho. Then I'm just going to be taking it, kind of using it like I would do an eyeliner. And kind of bringing, like, the black up against the crease. So I just went back in with a black shade. And I'm just bringing it back up into the crease. So it won't look like I'm missing the color there. So, yeah. Then I am going in with the NYX eyeliner, and this is their skinny eyeliner, and when I say this is like the best eyeliner ever, I really love it. So I'm going in with, this is like how it is when I'm applying eyeliner. How about 2 or 3 other projects in my hand, products in my hand, which I don't know why. But this is just how it be, and I'm just going to be applying it, and then I'm going to apply some lash. I'm gonna end with this glitter that I got from eBay. Some of the stuff that I get for eBay, if I just say eBay, I just forgot the name of the company, but I did know that I got it off of eBay, and I just apply it like right above where I usually do my cut crease area. And I use the e.l.f. glitter eyeliner, the liquid glitter eyeliner, because I don't know where in the world my lash glue went, and I just applied it right on top of the cut crease line. I felt like, oh yes, the jungle extra, yes. That should complete the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I gotta go. And we'll see you soon.